River Ganga is the major source of water there. All the domestic, agricultural, and industrial works are carried out by its water. Without River Ganga, the religious activities will be obstructed and economy will get lower. There might be a scarcity of water. If the water of River Ganga is polluted, then the people drinking the water of River Ganga might get affected and get ill. Question number 2 lists the measures through which its health can be restored. The steps are: sewage should not be released directly into rivers or lakes. They should be properly treated in sewage treatment plants. Harmful chemicals should not be dumped into water bodies. They should be transformed into some useful substances. Pesticides and fertilizers should be used only in a restricted manner. Civil agencies should keep a check on the activities of populace around the shores. Waste stuck in the river should be fetched out.
ओके अच्छा, कुछ बनाई हो मतलब कहीं लिखी हो कुछ उसमें क्या कहते हैं, कुछ भी की हो क्या?
हाँ मैम, लिखे हैं लेकिन सजाए नहीं है।
प्रॉपर तैयार अभी नहीं हुआ है?
डेकोरेट नहीं
ठीक
किया
है,
है,
जिसका
लिखा हुआ
तैयार
है।
हो गया, ओके ओके ओके, जिसका तैयार है वो बैक कैमरा से अपना दिखाएगा अभी। नेक्स्ट नेक्स्ट बच्चे कौन, हाँ बोलो।
Okay.
First question. Why
morning.
is River Ganga being called the lifeline of the people? The River Ganga is the life source of northern India and is reckoned to be the most important river in India. In fact, Ganga is the holy river of India. It passes
लाउडली बेटा, स्पीक लाउडली।
It passes through 5 states of northern India, namely Uttarakhand, UP, Bihar, Jharkhand, and West Bengal. The reasons of it being called the lifeline of the people are River Ganga play an important role for irrigation. This mighty river plays a role in generating hydroelectricity. People believe that Ganga is a sin purifier. At some places, it is a playful river that facilitates many water sports. Ganga fulfills the water requirements of many industries and nearby cities. So many employments are related to it, fisheries, tourism, etc. Second question. Suggest any 3 immediate steps to restore the health of River Ganga, a living entity. 3 immediate steps to restore the health of River Ganga are: first, we have to ensure that no industrial waste is dumped into it, not even the treated water. The industrial waste should be treated and cleaned and used again by the industries, that is, water should be recycled. Second, more fishes and turtles of a suitable species should be introduced in it in order to clean the river, as these species will eat the corpse left in the river. Third, people should people should not be allowed to bath in river, or at least this practice should be reduced as much as we can. They should also not be allowed to wash their clothes and tattles in the river, as the soap and other waste pollute the river. For this to be done, strict steps should be taken by the government.
आवाज आ रहा है क्लास में?
ओके नेक्स्ट, बाकी बच्चे प्लीज म्यूट करो। बाकी
Ma'am, can I speak?
म्यूट
Ma'am?
सेल्फ।
Ma'am, हम बोले।
एक सेकेंड,
Ma'am, can you?
अन्वेषा को बोलने दो फिर अविका। ओके, पहले अन्वेषा फिर अविका, बोलो।
Good morning to all of you. I am Anvesha. Here is Anvesha of 8B. I am thankful for Aparna ma'am for giving me this golden opportunity to express my views regarding the River Ganga through this virtual platform. So the question number 1 is, why has River Ganga called the lifeline of the people? The Ganges is a lifeline for millions. because the Ganges is a lifeline to millions who live along its course. It is the most sacred river to Hindus and worship as a goddess Ganga in Hinduism. It has a historical bondage with civilization. Ganga is the life source of northern India. This mighty river plays many roles. At some places, it is the source of irrigation. At other places, it is a source of energy. As a source of electricity also. It contributes to livelihood in India. It also pride for us because with the length of 2,525 kilometers, it is the longest river in India. The Hindu mythology, it is believed that bathing in river erases sin and facilitates us to attain the moksha. Question number 2. Suggest 3 steps to restore the health of river Ganga. Firstly, we have to prevent pollution of water. There should be proper sewerage treatment of plants. Secondly, people should not make their homes at the shore of river. Construction of factories should be done beside the shore of river Ganga. And the thirdly, industrial waste, human waste, which is came from human activities such as bathing, washing clothes, etc. Religious waste like religious bath and cremation near the ghats and idol immersion, etc. should be stopped being dumped into the river.
Very good.
By taking these steps, we definitely succeed to clean Ganga. And I would like to end my question with a slogan. ये गंगा हमारी नदी नहीं हमारा संस्कार है, गंगा हमारी नदी नहीं हमारा संस्कार है, ये हमारी देश का श्रृंगार है. थैंक यू सो मच.
वेरी गुड. शो इट अगेन अन्वेषा. अन्वेषा एक बार पीछे से एक बार दिखा दो बेटा. अन्वेषा एक बार दिखाओ वो गंगा जो आपने बनाया, एक बार दिखाइए. एक बार अच्छे नीचे नीचे कीजिए, नीचे कीजिए. हाँ, वेरी गुड, एक्सीलेंट. चलिए नेक्स्ट अविका. नेक्स्ट अविका. रेडी? हाँ, अविका.
Social science activity. Value-based question. Ganga, a living entity. Question number 1. Why has river Ganga been called the lifeline of the people? Answer. Firstly, lifeline is something that is very important for somebody and on which he or she depends on. Without that, they cannot survive. Ganga river is called the lifeline of the people as it has all the qualities. It is vital in the agricultural economy of a country. It is a source of electricity. It can be used as transportation. It fulfills the water requirements of human beings. It is used for religious activities also. Are some of the uses of river Ganga and many more. Because of these its uses, it is necessary for our existence and we cannot live without it. Question number 2. Suggest any 3 immediate steps to restore the health of river Ganga, a living entity. Ganga, a living entity. Firstly, river Ganga is known as a living entity as it exists by itself, separately from other things, and has a clear identity of its own.
Good.
It
Avika?
becomes larger where it met by a number of It takes birth in a mountain or a hill, becomes larger where it met by a number of tributaries, flows over plains, and finally ends where it reaches the sea. Nowadays, it became very polluted. 3 immediate steps to restore the health of river Ganga are treatment of sewage that is dumped in the Ganga river, the waste, the washing of clothes in the river and bathing of people daily and animals should be minimized. Chemical and industrial waste shouldn't be dumped in the river Ganga. At last, I would like to thank our social science teacher, Mrs. Aparna Basak ma'am, for giving us such a meaningful activity. Thank you.
ओके बेटा, आप एक बार बैक कैमरा से उसके हाँ शो कीजिए. वेरी गुड, वेरी नाइस. नेक्स्ट वेरी नाइस. नेक्स्ट.
Ayush. Good morning to dear Aparna ma'am and to all my dear friends. Today, I'm Radha Khan of Class 8H is going to express my feeling on River Ganga, a living entity. Now, why has River Ganga been called the lifeline of the people? Ganga is considered as a lifeline of the people, mainly for the people of northern India. And it was reckoned to be a most important river in India, in Indian culture. Its geographical origin is present in Gangotri Glacier. This river passes through the 5 states of India, that is Uttarakhand, Bihar, West Bengal, Jharkhand, and Uttar Pradesh, before finally merging into the ocean. This river is 2,525 kilometers long. It is the longest river in India. In Hinduism, people worship Ganga as a goddess. Believe that it is a sin purifier. She is believed to have inhabited in heaven the daughter of the Brahma, the creator. It is not the ordinary river for Hindus. Ganga fulfills the water requirements to nearby cities, towns, and suburbs. Ganga is the source of hydroelectricity at many places. This river plays an important role in irrigation processes. So many other employment also related to Ganga: fisheries, tourism, water sports, boatmen, etc. Now the second question. Suggest any 3 immediate steps to restore the health of River Ganga, a living entity. The 3 steps to restore the health of River Ganga, a living entity is: treatment of sewage that is dumped into the Ganga. Chemical and industrial waste shouldn't be dumped into the Ganga. The bathing of people daily and animals washing of clothes in the river water should be minimized. Keep the river clean and earth evergreen. Thank you and have a nice day.
Very good. Very good. Now, आयुष बोलो, उसके बाद आदित्य हंसराज, उसके बाद शानवी. ये तो हो गया. हाँ, चलो. ओके बेटा, कृतिक. आयुष.
Yes, ma'am.
बोलो.
Yes, ma'am. Ganga, a living entity. First question. Why has River Ganga been called the lifeline of the people? Ganga is the life source of northern India and is reckoned to be the most important river in Indian culture. Finding its geographical origin at Gangotri Glacier in Uttarakhand, the river passes through 5 states, namely Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, and West Bengal, before finally merging into the ocean. This mighty river plays many roles in each state that it transverses through. At some places, it is the source of irrigation. At other places, it is a source of hydroelectricity. In few places, Ganga becomes the sin purifier. Whereas at some places, it is a playful river that facilitates many water sports. With the total length of 2,525 kilometers, it is the longest river running in India. But it is not only geographically that this earned frame. In Hindu mythology, Ganga is worshipped as goddess. She is believed to have inhabited in heaven as the daughter of Brahma. So it is clear that Ganga is no ordinary river for Indians.
Good.
River Ganga is the source of irrigation of a wide variety of crops in India. The Ganga basin has fertile soil that largely influences the agricultural economics of not only India but also our neighboring country, Bangladesh. The Ganga, along with its tributaries, provide an invariable source of irrigation to a large area where crops including rice, sugarcane, oilseeds, wheats are cultivated. There are also several fishing zones along the river Ganga. Ganga shows a rich composition of minerals like elite that help in many ways to the crops and the soil. In short, we can call Ganga the backbone of agriculture in India. As we know that among Hindu devotees, River Ganga has great importance. Therefore, several destinations in India from where this sacred river passes have become popular among visitors. Places like Haridwar, Rishikesh, Varanasi, and Allahabad have significance for Hindus devotees. These cities situated on banks of river are even visited by travel enthusiasts who take keen interest in culture of India. This boosts tourism. Apart from that, Ganga became a source of adventure in Rishikesh. The flowing water helps adventure buffs to enjoy activities like river rafting and body rafting. The source of River Ganga are the home to many indigenous and migratory birds. Thus, Ganga makes an ideal hub for nature and wildlife lovers. Cities situated on banks of river are developing at very fast rate and prospering also. Hence, the River Ganga is in true sense the lifeline of the people. Second question. Suggest any 3 immediate steps to restore the health of River Ganga, a living entity. The condition of Ganga is deteriorating due to climate change, pollution by humans, illegal mining of riverbeds. Each individual should take proper measures to restore the health of Ganga because marine life and water of Ganga is depreciating fastly. The first step that should be taken is first, overexploitation and pollution should be stopped in order to protect the sacred river. Second, construction of houses should not be done beside river. Third, chemical and industrial waste should be dumped. Sea waste that is dumped in the region should be treated.
Okay. नेक्स्ट शानवी और आदित्य हंसराज बच रहे हैं. कौन बोलेंगे?
मैम आई एम ऑल्सो आयुष.
आर्यन. अच्छा,
मैम
आयुष मैम.
मैंने 8 बच्चों को कहा था. उन 8 में आज, अच्छा, आयुष कुमार फ्रॉम विच सेक्शन?
मैम बी.
8B. अच्छा, बोलो. अच्छा, आयुष 8A आपने वो बनाया है, वो लिखा है तो बैक कैमरा से दिखाओगे? आयुष एक बार दिखा दो, अगर बनाया हो तो, माने अगर रफ नहीं है तो. अच्छा, ठीक है, ओके. एक सेकेंड आयुष का देख लेने दो. ठीक है, ओके. चलो, अब कौन बोलेगा?
मैम आयुष 8B.
एक सेकेंड, आयुष 8B, नेक्स्ट शानवी, नेक्स्ट आदित्य हंसराज. ओके, आयुष 8B एंड शानवी.
मैम 8B.
वृष्टि. ओके, वृष्टि तो आपने बोल दिया ना?
मैम
नहीं, अच्छा, ओके, वो अन्वेषा थी, सॉरी. चलो नेक्स्ट. बोलो आयुष, बोलो जल्दी.
Value based question. Question number 1. Why has River Ganga been called the lifeline of India? Ganga is one of the most scarce river in India. The river Ganga passed through 5 states of India, namely Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, and West Bengal. River Ganga is said to be lifeline of people due to following reason. First, River Ganga play an important role in irrigation. Second, Ganga fulfill the water requirements of nearby cities, towns, and suburbs. Many industries have flourished near Ganga River as such rich water source attracts industries. With industries comes employment. For near Ganga, so many popular cities flourished and situated. All these cities are site of tourism, which provided employment in return. 5. So many employments also related to Ganga: fisheries, tourism, water sports, boatmen, etc. Question number 2. Suggest any 3 steps. 3 immediate steps to restore the health of River Ganga, a living entity. The 3 steps to restore the health of River Ganga are: the first step, moving people from living near to the river. The second is to ensure there is no dumping into the river and avoid waste dumping into the river. Third, the source should also be guarded against abuse. Through this, the health of River Ganga shall be restored over time.
ओके, नेक्स्ट वृष्टि.
Ma'am,
शानवी बोलो.
question number 1. Why has River Ganga been called the lifeline of the people? Answer. River Ganga play an important role in irrigation. Ganga fulfill the water requirements of nearby cities and towns. Ganga also has sacred significance. People believe Ganga as a scene purifier. Ganga is also a source of electricity. So many other employments also related to Ganga, like fisheries, tourism, boatmen, etc. Ganga is also used for religious activities. River Ganga has countless benefits. That's why Ganga is called the lifeline of the people. Question second. Suggest any three immediate steps to restore the health of River Ganga, a living entity. Answer. The three immediate steps to restore the health of River Ganga are: first, chemical and industrial waste should not be dumped in Ganga. Second, treatment of sewage that is dumped in the Ganga. Third, the bathing of daily people and animals and washing of clothes in the Ganga should be minimized.
Okay. Next, Vrishti.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, value-based question. Ganga, a living entity. Question number 1. Why has River Ganga been called the lifeline of the people? Ganga or Ganges is the life source of India and is reckoned to be the most important river in Indian culture. The river passes through 5 states, namely Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, and West Bengal. The Ganga River play many roles in each state that it travels through. At some places, it is a source of irrigation. At other places, it is a source of electricity. In few places, Ganga is renowned as the sin purifier, whereas at some places, it is a river that facilitates many water sports as boating. It also supports to agricultural economy of the country. It can be used as transportation. The river Ganga has provided many employments to people as fishermen or tourism. The whole state, though the whole state gets water from the Ganges. That is why the whole India call Ganga as the lifeline of India. Question number 2. Suggest any three immediate steps to restore the health of River Ganga, a living entity. Three immediate steps to restore the health of River Ganga are: reducing agricultural runoff. Second, preventing or treating municipal sanitary sewage discharges. Third, preventing or controlling resource recovery in river channels.
Good. Next.
I want to show my project.
कौन बोलोगे? आदित्य हंसराज ना?
Yes.
आदित्य बोलो.
Ganga play a vital role in the religion of Hindu. It is called the lifeline of the people because of the following ways. It is a source of electricity for the whole city. It is used for transportation of the traffic. It provides many employment to people as a service of fisheries, water sports, and tourism. It is used for recreational and religious activities of the Hinduism. It fulfills the water requirement for the nearby city. The three immediate steps to restore the health of Ganga are:
What happened, हंसराज? आदित्य अपने आप को म्यूट कर लियो बेटा.
हम बोल दिए पूरा.
अच्छा, ओके, ठीक है.